Hello students, welcome to Essay Shout. Today we are going to discuss a speech on the effects of lockdown on environment. It is a speech in English that you can prepare for your school project or school assembly. This assignment can be given to you by various other titles like write a speech on how the nature purified itself during lockdown or prepare a speech for school assembly on the other side of lockdown or give a speech on the nature's call for purification during lockdown. It is a speech with easy words so that you can understand it properly. At the end of the speech, I will guide you with the pronunciation of some words that students might pronounce wrongly which have been used in this speech. For that, please listen to the speech till the end. If you have any doubts, you can ask me by writing in the comment box. Let's start the speech now. As we all know, the spreading of coronavirus brought the world to a standstill. I sympathize with the people who lost their loved ones. It is a loss that can never be refilled. But you must have heard that every coin has two sides. The same is happening with the earthlings. As our body needs detoxification after a certain limit, nature too was in an urgent need to detoxify itself, to purify itself of all the junk that we were contributing to it in an unstoppable manner. Nature's purification process can be analyzed through the drastic decrease in pollution levels, air, water, and noise pollution. Water flowing in the rivers of Yamuna and Ganga has changed unbelievably. The lockdown meant to curb the spread of the coronavirus has helped significantly in cleaning the environment. Birds and animals like their habitat in its original form. That is why they seem to enjoy the cleaner and clearer environment. Moreover, they are free to utilize their space fully as they are free now and man is behind cages. This pandemic has once again proved that nature is permanent and it can repair itself without humans' help. As I said, I will discuss with you the wrongly pronounced words. So, the first word that is used in this speech is meant. Most of the students pronounce it wrongly as meant. You should pronounce it as meant. I hope I am clear to you. Let's come to the next word. The second word is environment. Mostly people you call it as environment. It is absolutely wrong. You have to pronounce it like environment. Make it a habit to pronounce it correctly. You can visit essayshout.com to read the full essay on effects of lockdown on environment, as it is an important topic for essay and paragraph writing for the coming exams in 2021. Feel free to ask for any writing help for your homework assignments through the request section of our website essayshout.com. Thank you for listening to this speech. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.